Look at this big boy. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Julie. Welcome. In tonight's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my IPSY glam bag for the month of June. For June, IPSY did commemorate the would have been 100th birthday of Marilyn Monroe. So June's bag looks just like Marilyn's dress in, I don't know if you guys remember or have ever seen the movie Men Prefer Blondes. It's that pink satin with the big bow. I'll insert like a picture here of her wearing it. Totally iconic, and love this little bag. It's super cute. I do feel like Violet is gonna steal this bag from me. So let's just get right into it. It does have like a black zip and a red lining. First product, this is the Bisha eyeshadow duo. So cute, and the colors are Toronto and Manhattan. Ooh, so creamy. Wow. Such beautiful color and texture. Lovely. Next, in the bag, Feel, and this is the enzymatic cleanser. I literally love getting travel cleansers. I use them so frequently, so awesome on that. Next, this big boy. This is the Levitate Hydrogel Under Eye Mask. I use them all the time, almost daily. Love this. Can never go wrong with a sheet mask or an under eye mask. Next, the e.l.f. Primer Cool Stick. Uh-oh, whole thing just came apart. And let's see, it is very moisturizing. I don't really feel a cooling effect. It says it has a cooling, watery feel. So I do get that, like because it's wet, it does feel a little bit cool, but it's not like a tingling, cooling effect. Interesting, I'll have to give that a try. And then last in our little Men Prefer Blondes pink baggie, this is the Mishko Transfer Proof Lip Liner in Most Wanted. It's this gorgeous toasty mauve-y color. Okay, there's that. And I mean, maybe I need to let it dry a little bit longer. It's not 100% transfer proof, but it's definitely hard to get off. All right, you guys, that is what was in my June IPSY glam bag commemorating Marilyn Monroe's 100th birthday. If you guys like this video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.